what's going on? Mike here, and I recently got the Android 9 update for the Nokia 6 2018. I figured I'd do a short impressions video and share how Pi has been doing so far. So I initially got this phone with Android Oreo back in late July, and so far HMD has done a great job with monthly updates. Let's see how it does with Android Pi running the show. The Android Pi update for the Nokia 6 2018 weighed in at around 1.4 gigs, and with this I got the usual update notice about some changes to the UI, settings, and notifications and all that stuff. So right off the bat we can see that there are new design changes to the user interface, such as the rounded corners on the drop-down menu, the added color icons in the settings list, and the newly designed nav bar on the bottom, which allows you to navigate around the UI with the new gesture features that Google implemented. Call me traditional, but I much prefer the classic navigation bar setup that we had up until Android Oreo. Fortunately, you can easily change this in the settings menu. In addition, you can also now change the display orientation through a small icon on the navigation bar. The multitasking interface has also changed a bit, with apps now displayed side by side, similar to how iOS and Windows Phone handled their multitasking layout. As expected, the status bar has also been shuffled around a bit, with date and time now located on the left side of the status bar. As for other changes, I noticed that there were new apps installed on my phone. For instance, the default Home app has been replaced with Quick Step Launcher, and the stock File Explorer app has now been replaced with Files Go. Let's head back to the settings menu. The phone now gives you approximations on how long your battery will last based on your current battery percentage and the apps currently running. You also get the adaptive battery feature, which limits battery usage for less used apps. So far, I haven't really noticed a difference with regards to battery performance, and I still get pretty good screen on time. Android 9 also introduces some changes to the camera UI. You still get the Pro Mode function that originally came with the Nokia Lumia phones, as well as other new features like Google Lens integration, stickers, as well as a selfie bokeh shot mode. So far, the only complaints that I have are within the first few minutes of running on Pi. Sometimes my phone would lag around or stop responding, and sometimes the camera app won't even start up. Thankfully though, I haven't managed to come across these problems again. For the most part, it has been smooth sailing. In closing, it's terrific that HMD Global and Nokia have managed to not only provide frequent updates for Nokia 6.1 users, but to give them Android Pi as well. I'm pretty satisfied so far with how my phone performs in Android 9, and hopefully we'll see more features and updates in the future. For more tech articles, head on over to detectors.com. Once again, thanks for watching.